Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today I'll be making some sweet and sour fish, and here are my beautiful, lovely, colorful, flavorful, just amazingly amazing ingredients that I will be using. Yes, peep them and peep my fish. Just glorious. So, of course, let's preheat some oil. So, use the amount of oil that you want to use to fry these two little pieces of fish. Well, they are not little. So here I am adding half tablespoon of fish seasoning, and then I added 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and of course I'll be doing salt to taste. I think I added like 1.5 tablespoons, but yeah, just add salt to taste. Don't really listen to what I'm saying about the salt, because everybody's salting kind of different, right? So set that aside, and here is my fish, and I'm taking a napkin and I'm patting it dry. So guys, this will lessen the amount of poppage that is going to take place when you're frying your fish, and we don't want no poppage. So here I'm taking out 1 teaspoon of the seasoning, set that aside to use for later. And now I'm going in with the seasoning mix, gonna rub a dub on the fish. And this fish is not small, right, Vibe Sam? But according to whatever size fish you have, right, we'll work with it. So go ahead and rub on the seasoning. Just spread it out, massage it on. Do the same for the, by the way, the tail. The tail is my favorite part of the fish. All right, yeah. Go in and rub, and then we're going to flip it over, right, on the other side, because we're going to do the same thing. So pat it dry, get it nice and dry, because no oil not burning me. What about you? And add the seasoning again. So yes, Vibe Sam, go ahead and just love on your fish. Love on it. Right? And of course, you want to put it right there too. We are putting seasoning everywhere. Anywhere that you see opening up, any hole you see peeping, any split that you see peeping, dash seasoning in there. So of course, yes, you want to take this next piece too as well. And of course, you get that flat part right there. But most importantly, because you can't leave this out, get it on the inside. Yes, Vibe Sam, you don't only nice up your outside, nice up your inside too. Real life thing, not only the outside. So here it is. And now let's go to the other part. So the seasoning that I set aside, here I'm adding it to my flour, because I'm going to flour the fish, right? Clean hands, Vibe Sam. If you can't change your gloves, maybe you're not using any gloves, but anyway, if you can change your gloves, then just wash your hand, right, with the gloves. So go ahead and put the flour on the fish. And Vibe Sam, you don't want to coat it thick. You don't want to just have like one bag of flour on it. No, just a little bit, just a little something, right? Not too much. And you want to get it everywhere. So shake it off, shake off the excess, and then place it on your little tray or your little plate, whatever. And we're going in for the next piece, right? Lightly, so gently, ever so gracefully, put the flour on there. By the way, I didn't put the flour inside. Up in that part where I seasoned, no, I didn't put any flour in there. But on the sides and everywhere else, yes. So here it is, and now let's fry. Fry. Oh, so beautifully. Fry. So yeah, Vibe Sam, you want to leave them and let it fry until the side. Oh, beautiful. Look at that color, Vibe Sam. Tell me that's not pretty. That is so pretty. That looks so good. So brown and gloriously golden. So yeah, Vibe Sam, now that it's done, I think maybe like 5 minutes on each side because you don't want to dry out your fish, right? But yeah, just go ahead. By the way, fry it on medium heat or so. So yeah, take it out the pot and set it aside. Put it on a little piece of paper towel, you know, just to get the little drainage on. Get rid of the excess oil. You don't have to do that though, but you know, yeah. Wanna know me and oil. I can't. So yeah, this is it. Look at the bubblation like it's still frying. Come through, bubbles. So yeah, Vibe Sam, go ahead and pour out the oil. And here I'm adding some onion, yellow bell pepper or sweet pepper, green and red. Whatever color you can get, use it. So I'm going to saute this for about a minute or two. Vibe Sam, I like to do it this way because I'm telling you, the flavors just burst out and it just does something. Yes, you can do it the other way where you add the liquid, the other stuff for the sauce to the pot first and then you add these. But I'm telling you, I promise, this way, yes, the flavors just does something when you really go ahead and saute the vegetables first, right? So yes, so leave it for about 2 minutes or a minute, and here I'm back. Give it a stir, and then yeah, let's go again. So here I added 1 cup pineapple juice. I'm doing 1/2 cup ketchup, right? You need to get all your ketchup. And I'm going in with 2.5 tablespoons soy sauce or dark soy sauce. And now we're gonna give it a stir. Give it a stir. Try to incorporate all those lovely ingredients. And Vibe Sam, it smells so good. Yes, and of course Vibe Sam, you can imagine just the smell of the pineapple juice, right? So good. So you're gonna leave this to just bring it to a little bubble. So when it start kind of bubbling just a little bit, here I added a 1/3 cup sugar. So yes, you could add the sugar before, but I wanted it to get a little, I wanted the sauce to get just a bit warm because then the sugar dissolve very fast, right? So that's why I did that instead of just adding it and then just kind of wait. I think it happens faster if you just do it this way. So go ahead and look at that consistency, but we need it to be thicker. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon cornstarch or corn flour, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of water to that. Mix it up, get it all dissolvable, get it dissolved, and then we're going to do some addition. Do you like addition or subtraction? I like to add, so let's add it, right? Because we need to thicken this sauce right here. So pour it in, and then we're gonna stir, and a stir, and a stir, and a so yeah, Vibe Sam, see it is getting thick, right? You can see it's changing right before my eyes. So yeah, Vibe Sam, you just kind of leave it for 2 minutes. And then voila, this is it. Done, right? And then now that it's better, we're gonna add our fish. Here comes fishy. Add the tail. And now we add that fat, nice, juicy part. And of course, we're gonna take the sauce and take it up and lather it all over the fish. Lather and a pour and a pour. Of course, you do have to put the veggie on it, but listen, I was like, nah, I don't have time to be separating, so I'll just add and then later I'll do what I want to do, right? So yeah, go ahead and get that sauce. Vibe Sam, when I tell you it tastes good. By the way, taste it before you put the fish in, right? I forgot to say that. Taste. So yes, taste it, and then mine tastes good, so I'm doing some addition, right? So now I can take off the sweet pepper and all them things. I'm taking them off, right? That kind of easier this way than for me to be trying to get the sauce without the sweet pepper. So yeah, Vibe Sam, and try to get your sauce from the side. And here it is, Vibes Fam, all done. I left it for like a minute or two. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Yes, here we have it. Look at that fish. Look at sweet and sour. But it only looks sweet, right? It don't look sour. Oh my goodness. Look at Lush. Look at Lush. Look at Shine. Oh, you shine so, my girl. Cocoa butter body fish, cocoa butter body fish. And Vibes Fam, this tastes so good. When I tell you that this is so tasteable, I mean so delicioso. It is delicious. Love it. Love it. Yes, check it out. Oh my goodness. Look at the sauce. Look at the sauce around here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness. I love it. Yes. And that is my favorite part of the fish, by the way. So I'm all excited. Vibes Fam, check out the sauce all up in that fish right there. Yes, you want to get it everywhere. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Vibes Fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Let me know if you try this recipe. Please go and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you so much. God bless you.